Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm doing my fall favorites video, things I'm loving for the fall season. I've always loved fall, but I feel like this year I'm extra excited for fall, for the fashion, for the weather, for activities, and for the food. This year Olivia is a toddler, so we can do so much more than last year, and I'm just so excited. Like, I'm no longer postpartum, so I'm really embracing, you know, my body, and I just feel ready for the season. So today I wanted to share some things that I've been loving: jewelry, bags, boots, fashion, random things. So I'm super excited to get into it. Everything will be linked down below, but also you can check out my Instagram if you want to see my day-to-day life, things that we're doing this fall, and all that good stuff. Anyway, let's get into it. I found my dream overalls. I really struggle because I'm super short, have thicker thighs, so the proportions are not right for like the average overalls, and y'all, Princess Polly did it. These are my favorite. I got two colors and I want even more. A great way for me to incorporate like fall tones and like a fall vibe without being super hot. So it's like a corduroy shorts overalls. They come in different colors, but I think these are perfect. I got a size US 4. They're perfectly oversized, not too wide, not too long on me, and I'm obsessed with them. I literally had to take them off to show you guys. These I literally took out of the dirty clothes. So these are kind of like the forest green color. They also have a navy that's super pretty. They have a regular denim. So I highly recommend if you've been looking for a good pair of overalls. I think these are freaking adorable. They're so comfy. I just wear them with a white tee. So if you've been watching my videos for a little bit, you've probably noticed that I've been wearing so many bracelets, like more than usual. And I'm super into gold bracelet stacks at the moment. I don't know why I love them so much. I think they look so good. So these are all from Bubble Bar. They send me a ton of jewelry and they're so pretty, super good quality. I've been wearing them every single day because I like to test out my jewelry. I don't want to have to take it off every single time, so I wear it to work out. I wear it, you know, on a day-to-day basis and even to shower, and they didn't tarnish. They're great quality, and I love, more than anything, I have a super tiny wrist. The fact that the majority of their bracelets come in different sizes, like according to your wrist, which is a game changer because I feel like the majority of bracelets are huge on me. They also sent me this cutie little ring that looks like I'm wearing multiple stacked rings at once, but it's actually just one. So pretty. Let me show you. It's so shiny, and I love the look of like multiple rings in one. I think it's so fun. So instead of wearing like a ton of rings like I used to do, I just wear this one. It's like a cute little statement. It just looks so nice. So if you're on Instagram as much as I am, you probably get targeted ads for this blanket all the time. And I finally have one, y'all. I got this one that is the ombre monogram with the neutral colors. Look at that. And it just says philosophy. Y'all, this blanket is so big, so cozy. It comes in so many different patterns and colors, and you can personalize it to say anything, like your name, or you can gift it to someone for the holidays. This is something, spoiler alert, a lot of my friends are gonna be getting for Christmas because it's so cozy. It's like the perfect, not too warm, not too hot, or not too cold. And I love it. I think this is such a meaningful gift. I have it in my office, of course, because, you know, Philosophy HQ, but I'm obsessed. When I'm working, I just lay it on my lap. It's amazing. I'm obsessed with it. And honestly, for the size, the quality, and the personalization, I don't find them to be that expensive, which is why I'm giving them to all my friends and family this Christmas. And a new season means I'm changing my perfumes once again, so I'm partnering up with Dossier again to tell you guys my favorite fall perfumes. So I have a huge Dossier collection. It is no secret, I'm obsessed with them. They are the only perfumes I ever use. They are a perfume and cologne company. They make luxury, designer-inspired perfumes, but for perfumes, did I lag there for a second? But for way less. So their perfumes start at only $29, and they are my favorite, my husband's favorite, my mother-in-law's favorite. Like, I give them to everyone because they are amazing. So these are like my fall, early fall perfumes that I'm loving at the moment. This one is so delicious. It's the one I wear on a daily basis. I just think it smells sweet, not too floral, and also like not too musky. So I like find myself wearing this like during the day a lot, before my workouts. before bed. I don't know why, I'm kind of weird and I just have to apply perfume before bed, but I love this one. It's a Floriental Brown Sugar. And then this one is my new kind of go-to nighttime, date night, going out perfume. It's the Musky Musk. That is the dupe for Juliet Has a Gun. Just smells really nice, really musky. It's almost like a masculine type scent, but in a feminine way. It's the best way that I can describe it. But check out those here if you haven't already. You can try their perfumes out risk-free. If you don't like them, you can get a refund or just a new one, and you can use my code PHILO10 to get an extra 10% off. So these are my two go-tos right now. I got so many requests to find and try out one of these bags, and the only reason why I did it, not because I didn't want to like fulfill y'all's request, is because I thought this would be a great tote bag on the go for fall, mostly because I find that Olivia has been messing with my canvas bags a little too much, like getting them really dirty. So I wanted something that would wipe clean, that I didn't have to worry about. I don't know, because I've never seen one of these in person, like I've never felt them, so I don't know how accurate to the, you know, style this one is. I do want to say it does feel a little thinner, a little bit more plasticky than my Neverfull, for example, so that's kind of like what I'm basing it off of. But it wasn't too expensive, and honestly I wish I would have gotten it embroidered. I just didn't know how much I was gonna like it, so I didn't want to like put something permanent on it. But I think it's cute. What do you guys think? And I love the size. I think this is such a good size for on the go, for a mom, you know. I carry a lot of things, and like I said, I love the fact that I could just wipe it clean. Oh, this is like the bag that it came in. The bag isn't looking too hot, TBH, but this is what it looks like on the inside. And then it also has this little pouch, which I thought was cute. So let me know what you guys think about the pattern, about the material. If you have any experience, I would love to know. The details look pretty good. So I am on a kick with boots. I keep buying boots, and I know I say that really weird, okay? So please don't make fun of me. TJ Maxx has the best deal on like Western style boots, from like Dolce Vita, some that are like Italian 100% leather for less than $100, which is such a steal if you know how much like Nordstrom sells them for. So I got these made in Italy Western style boots. Look how pretty these are. They're like real leather, real suede, and they're so flattering. I love that they have the little bit of heel. This is my favorite way to add a little bit of fall when it's still super hot outside, because I live in Houston. So I wear like a cute dress like this, I'll link this one down below, and then I add like a pair of like over the knee boots or Western boots, and it looks adorable, even with like a cute little hat. And also I could transition these like into spring for the rodeo. I could wear these with jeans to go out in, so they're definitely a splurge. But if you're looking to save some money on like very trendy, very good quality boots, check out TJ Maxx. I will link my favorites down below. A trend that I'm literally obsessed with is striped sweaters and striped pullovers. I think it's very, very trendy right now, but it's such a timeless piece or pieces that you can really transition season to season however you want to dress them up. So I have two that I'm loving right now. This one is from Princess Polly. I just really like the thick black with the beige, and I also really like that it's not a super deep V. I feel like that's mostly the trend, like a super deep V and then the collar that goes out. I did get that one from Zara. It hasn't come in. I think it's lost in the mail, so it sucks for me, but that one's cute. And then I got this one from Amazon that I'm sure I'll talk about in a try and haul or something. Super soft, very cozy. This one is a little bit more casual with the zipper, and I got a size medium in this one, size 8 in this one. So this one definitely runs a little bit smaller and it's more boxy. This one is a little bit more casual, but I really, really like it. And this one does come in more like without stripes in solid colors, but I love this one too. And like I said, if I ever get that Zara one, I'll definitely show you guys. Okay, so I've been using these boots since I got them back in the winter of this year. I think it was like early January, and they have been through it. They really have. We used to not have any cement in our backyard, and during the spring and summer it would flood and get super muddy. and these went through it. They really did. And the fact that they look brand spanking new is insane to me because I started loving them again for the fall season. To be perfectly honest, I feel like I'm too short and they make me look a little weird if I wear them with like dresses or skirts. I have to wear them with pants or leggings. If not, I don't think they look good on me. But I also have the gray pair, and those are literally sitting outside right now because it rained the other day, but don't judge me. The point is, they're not super expensive. I love how classic and beautiful they look. They really elevate an outfit, but they're literally rain boots, so I'm obsessed with them. They're super comfy. I got my true size 7, which is a 38, and I think they are on my like to know it, so I'll go ahead and take another picture. But obsessed. I honestly really want to get the black ones, and if I continue to use these as much as I have, I'll definitely pick them up for like this winter season. Going to Trader Joe's after this, so I'll definitely do a little fall Trader Joe's haul. But I had to share one of my favorite parts about fall, which is the coffee additions. I don't have like a specific syrup that I add to my coffee. Instead, I get these, and it just makes things so much easier for me. So these are just flavored whipped creams, and if you didn't know, because I didn't until I started making it at home, cold foam is basically heavy whipping cream. This one is from Aldi, and it's a pumpkin flavored whipped cream, and this one is from Target. They also have a marshmallow one that sounds really good, and this one is maple vanilla. They're both amazing. I made my cold brew or my espresso drink as I usually make it. I just add this on top, and it tastes so good, and it's so much faster than like whipping everything out. So highly recommend if you're into fall drinks but you want to make them at home. These are so good. So guys, that's everything for today's video. Let me know what you're loving for fall. I feel like I said at the beginning, I feel like this fall season feels magical for some reason. Like all the decorations started early, and Trader Joe's is like launching all these yummy foods, and have so many plans with Olivia, so I just feel extra excited, and I'm just really loving the fashion this year. I don't know why, like it just feels like right up my alley, and I keep finding really good things. So let me know if you guys want to see a part 2 maybe in a month or so when it's actually fall. But let me know what you guys are loving. Do you like that people seem to be more into fall than ever this year, or do you feel like it's too early? Because in my opinion, it's never too early. I'm tired of summer already. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and follow me over on Instagram, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.